Distracted driving continues to be a huge problem on our roads. CBS 6 has teamed up with Finkelstein and partners for our No Text Zone campaign, which provides information and encourages drivers to take the pledge not to text while driving. And joining me right now is Andrew Finkelstein to speak with us about some of the legal ramifications of this. And Andrew, so good to have you with us. Thank you very much, and thank you for sponsoring what I think is a really important program in this area. And I know you've seen a lot of these kinds of cases in the courtroom. What are you seeing, and what's been the result of all that?
Well, unfortunately, Liz, first I want to thank CBS 6 for supporting us with trying to get distracted drivers off the road and explaining the dangers of distracted driving, because it puts us all at risk. We've seen a tremendous increase in serious injuries and catastrophic consequences when people are distracted when they're driving. They just don't realize that they are 23 times more likely to cause a serious crash when they are texting and driving or being distracted.
And I know that the penalties have changed here in New York State in the last 6 months or so. Is that working as a deterrent?
I hope it's working as a deterrent, but unfortunately I think people are just not able to resist the temptation when they hear that phone buzz or the ding of that text coming in, that they just continue to look at it because they think, oh, it won't happen to me. They feel that they're immune from the dangers of texting and driving. Unfortunately, we have not seen that to be the case.
And you're in a unique position here of actually talking to people who are victims of texting while driving crashes. What would you say to someone watching right now who says, oh, come on, it's not going to happen to me?
I would say don't fool yourself. Don't think that anybody is immune from texting and driving. And while you may not think that you won't do it, the scary thing and the dangerous thing is what the other people on the road are doing. We all make a promise when we get behind a wheel that we'll act safely, and we want everybody else to make good on their promise that they will act safely and not text and drive. That's not happening.
All right, Andrew Finkelstein, thank you so much for being with us today, and hopefully people will continue to hear the messages that we are putting on the air and your message today, and do something about it important. Thank you again for being with us. All right, and we'll